Hi everyone, Dangvy Keller with Veeam, Vice President of Distribution and Alliance Sales for the Americas. Here with me today is Jessica Yeck, a Senior Vice President of TD SYNNEX Vendor Solutions, primarily focused on Veeam. Thank you very much. Jessica, great to have you today, back again this year. First, I want to thank you for your sponsorship. But more importantly, congratulations on winning our North America Distribution Partner of the Year award this year. You've been a tremendous partner. So I want to kick off by thanking you and congratulating you. But last year we were here, we talked a lot about the Tech Data SYNNEX merger. So tell us a little bit about where you guys are at with that merger.
Yeah, so before I answer the question, thank you for your partnership and your team's partnership. I do, the Distributor of the Award, I just want to thank our collective teams because they really worked hard to make that happen. So I want to make sure I thank them. So thinking about a year ago and where we were from a merger perspective, it's been incredible, right? We had the opportunity to bring together two really high-performing organizations and merge them into one, and the results have been very positive, and I believe our vendors and our partners are seeing the results. Veeam is seeing the results of that as well. So it's been incredible.
Great, and you've been in the news quite a bit. Partners, I think the feedback has been consistent. Amount of resources that TD SYNNEX has as a joint company has been phenomenal for the channel organization or community, right? So fantastic. What is TD SYNNEX focus on this year?
We will continue to focus on our partners and our vendors, right? And we'll do that through our global strategic initiatives, which include investing in high growth technologies. So think hybrid cloud, hyperscaler infrastructure, security, right? Those all sound beautiful when it comes to Veeam. It's a good marriage, right? We will strengthen our end-to-end portfolio as well as invest our global footprint. And then continue to transform digitally so we can maintain that level of support and operational efficiencies and bring that to our partners and vendors.
Absolutely, that's fantastic. And when you think about, kind of the key strengths of our partnership and, what we can do more together, I mean, what are some of those things that you're looking at, especially, having been here at Veeam today?
There's a lot of natural synergy. So when I think about where, kind of where our strengths are and those opportunities, the strengths are with our team and our people and our combined portfolios, right? There's really kind of a magic formula there that allows us to grow, expand together. So, there's a lot of strengths there. And then in terms of opportunities, it's really capturing M365, right? It's helping our partners and their customers move from perpetual to VUL, helping partners capture the full, capabilities of the Veeam portfolio and, helping them continue to grow their Veeam business. And then, I'd be remiss not to mention our public sector, space. There's a lot of opportunity there. And as part of our merger, that's one thing that, we have a huge bench of public sector specialists that are really have a lot of expertise in this space, and then we have access to a lot, quite a few different contracts that can help our partners capture business.
Absolutely. And I think, the benefit of a partnership like TD SYNNEX is the amount of resource, whether it's, infrastructure with the dedicated teams, the contract services. I mean, you guys are so good in helping suppliers like Veeam through the entire customer journey, right? And with the partner ecosystem, whether you're an alliance partner, a VCSP partner, a traditional VAR, there's just been so much opportunity and resources available for our ecosystem together. So I really appreciate the support and partnership. Any last final words for the audience about TD SYNNEX that you want them to be aware of?
It's we're here, and we, just ask us what it is and how you want to grow your business, because I can guarantee we have some sort of solution or partner or vendor, right? We're here to connect this a huge channel ecosystem, right? And we're able to do that through our portfolio of offerings and the vendors and, and the partners that we have. So, just have a conversation. We want to help. We want to help you grow your business, and we're very excited about it.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you again for the strong and phenomenal partnership in North America, but also globally. You're our largest global distributor. So I want to continue to accelerate our business and partnership together. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dangvy.